Hey guys, so this is how to add a service list to your Wix website. So first of all, just go to wix.com and then sign into your account. And then you're going to find all your websites or all your sites right here. So just select the one that you want to edit or add the service list to. So I'll just add it to this portfolio website. I'll just click on select and edit site. Then what I need to do is just click on this edit site button right there at the top right corner. And now it's going to open the website or a preview of the website where you can just add stuff to your website. You're going to have this side doc right here. So this side doc is really important for you. And this is actually how we're going to add the service list. So we're going to add this by clicking on this add elements button, which is the plus button right there. And then scroll down till you find, or just go down till you find bookings. And then inside bookings, you're going to find booking elements. So just hover over service list. And now you have all these templates for service lists that you can add. So let me add this one, for example. It adds it right away. So what I can do right now is just manage services. So like I have it on my website right now. It's not published, but like I have it in the dashboard. So what I can do to add services is click on manage services. And it opens up a dashboard where you can manage these services from the name. You can add services. You have these templates for services that you can just add and edit on, or you could just start from scratch. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope that video is helpful.